Did you know that your favorite afternoon boba tea and your cat's litter box are actually part of the same environmental revolution? It might sound strange, but stick with me, because this story is a game changer for our planet. Welcome to Did You Know by FactBite Daily. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a humble root vegetable that's quietly powering a green revolution, from our kitchens to our pet supplies and beyond. It all centers around the cassava root. Now, if you're a fan of bubble tea, you're already very familiar with cassava, even if you don't realize it. It's the starchy source of those delightfully chewy tapioca pearls that make boba tea so unique. For decades, that's been its main claim to fame in many parts of the world. But innovative scientists and eco-conscious entrepreneurs have discovered that this so-called miracle crop has talents that go far beyond a sweet treat. Let's start with something you probably never think about: cat litter. For years, the standard for cat litter has been bentonite clay. It clumps well, it absorbs odors, but it has a massive environmental footprint. Bentonite clay is sourced through destructive strip mining, a process that scars the landscape, destroys habitats, and releases huge amounts of dust and pollutants into the atmosphere. Once it's been used, it gets thrown away and sits in a landfill forever. It never biodegrades. Now, enter cassava. Innovators realized that the same starchy quality that makes tapioca pearls clump together in your tea could be harnessed for a different purpose. They created a cat litter made from cassava granules. This litter is 100% plant-based and fully sustainable. When your cat uses the box, the natural starch in the cassava activates and forms tight, solid clumps. No added chemicals, no artificial binding agents, just pure plant power. And the best part? It's completely biodegradable. Instead of ending up in a landfill for centuries, it can break down naturally, and some versions are even flushable or compostable. It's a huge win for the planet and for our feline friends. But the cassava revolution doesn't stop in the litter box. Its high starch content makes it incredibly versatile, and one of its most exciting applications is in the fight against plastic pollution. We all know the problem. Plastic bags, straws, and containers choke our oceans and litter our landscapes for hundreds, if not thousands, of years. Cassava offers a brilliant solution. Scientists have developed a method to process cassava starch into a bioplastic material that looks and feels almost exactly like traditional plastic. You can get cassava-based shopping bags, food containers, and even straws. The crucial difference? Their end-of-life story. A plastic bag might last for 500 years, but a cassava-based bag can dissolve completely in a cup of hot water in just a few minutes. If you throw it in a compost pile, it will break down into nutrient-rich soil in a matter of months. It's a material designed to return to the earth, not pollute it. What makes cassava such an ideal crop for these green technologies? It's all about its resilience. Cassava is an incredibly hardy plant. It can grow in poor, infertile soil where other crops would fail. It's drought-resistant, requiring very little water to thrive, which is a massive advantage in our changing climate. This means it can be cultivated in regions struggling with food security and economic development, without placing a heavy strain on precious natural resources. It's not just an eco-friendly material, it's an eco-friendly crop from start to finish. So, the next time you're sipping on a boba tea, take a moment to appreciate the humble tapioca pearl at the bottom of your cup. It's a symbol of something much bigger. From the bottom of your tea to your pet's litter box and the biodegradable bag you carry your groceries in, this amazing root is proving that the solutions to our biggest environmental challenges might just be hiding in plain sight, and they might even be edible. The future of our planet could very well be plant-based, and cassava is leading the charge. What do you think? Would you switch to a cat litter you could technically compost? Or are you excited about the idea of bags that just dissolve? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into green innovation, make sure to like this video and subscribe to FactBite Daily for more amazing bites of knowledge. Thanks for watching.